mascarpone Swiss meringue frosting is a total game changer. I like cloud soft frosting that blends airy Swiss meringue with silky mascarpone, delivering gentle brightness and a creamy modern finish without heaviness. You'll need 2 egg whites. Aren't you glad they're fresh out of the refrigerator? Yeah, they're easier to separate when they're cold. We could make a small batch of creme brulee. That's the best idea you peeled off today. Notice we're using our metal mixer bowl. We'll show you why in a minute. I am Agent Zorblitz of the Bureau of Unwanted Democracy. The Bureau of Unwanted Bureaucracy. Level 7 compliance. I was recently assigned from the gatekeeper at the Gummy Quadrant. Oh no, that tone means forms. Add in your sugar, zest of a whole orange, a tablespoon of orange juice, 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Place this over a pan of hot boiling water and gently bring it up to 165 degrees. Whisk constantly. It only takes a few minutes. Place your bowl on your mixer and whisk to stiff peaks. You want to cool it down to under 90 degrees. Room temperature is best. By the power vested in me by the Bureau of Unwanted Bureaucracy, this location is now under temporary administrative review. Identify your rank and frosting authority. I outrank frosting. Glowing label unregistered. The metal doesn't retain heat as much as the glass bowl does. You can place it in a bowl of ice water too. Those are meltless ice cubes and they come in handy for everything. In a fresh bowl, whisk together 3/4 cup of heavy cream and 8 ounces of mascarpone cream. This only takes 30 seconds to whisk them to soft peaks. And here's a key thing. You can take from your meringue and use the whisk, but you can't put it back into the meringue, or you'll totally deflate it and you'll end up with egg white soup. Meringue can't get any little bit of fat or dirty or grease in it, ever. So, how do you combine them? Fold the meringue into the mascarpone 1/3 at a time. It's like magic. Don't worry, you're not in trouble. Yet. But when they return with that, the paperwork will be waiting. Troops, we are now at war. With villains? With administration?